Okay, this is house for rent. If you are interested, please inquire 0965-408-9230. Nya, diri kaagi. This ubos. So, inig sulod nimo, inyong makita is this is the swimming pool before my children when they're young. I make this swimming pool for them, but now tilapia na. Ya, dire among balay. So that's the entrance and this is the kitchen area. Paning butangan egg handle are love. So mo ni among balay. Mo ni among bathroom. Ako pa nang hinluan. So this is the kitchen area. This is the bedroom. 1 bedroom. 2 bedroom. This is the dining area. Butangan panig table. And this is our sala. So, kinsay ganahan mo rent. Nindo to dakog lugar. Na kitchen. So, kung gusto kang magbutang o gas stove, dire ang gas stove. Dito mag-dirty kitchen. Kamo, ganahan mo. So, dire lang mo, nagdamig mga butang.